Daddy is talking in his sleep. Well, at least he was talking in his sleep.
Oh, he does that.